Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 35, lesson 2. Follow along as I read aloud. De verbo. Verbum quid est? Pars orationis cum tempore et persona sine casu, aut agra aliquid, aut pati, aut neutrum significans. Modi verborum qui sunt indicativus ut lego, imperativus ut lege, optativus ut utinam legarem, conjunctivus ut cum legam, infinitivus ut legere. Genera verborum quod sunt? Quatuor, quae, activa, passiva, neutra, deponentia. Activa, quae sunt? Quae in o desinunt et accepta littera faciunt ex se passiva ut lego legor. Read through all of lesson 2 aloud in Latin and come back and let's translate. Concerning the verb. What is a verb? The teacher says. The student. It is a part of speech with tense and with person, without case, signifying either to do something or to endure something, or neither one. So here that means an active or transitive verb to do something, or intransitive to endure, or something happens to it. And neutrum just means neither to do nor to endure something, more like a linking verb. The moods of the verbs. What are they? What are the moods of the verbs? Student. There's indicative, like lego, I read. Imperative, like lege, read, command. Optative, like I wish I could read. Subjunctive, like when I read. And infinitive, like to read. The teacher, how many kinds of the verbs are there? How many? And here the kinds, the genera, unlike genders for nouns, we see below. These are the voices. So how many voices of the verbs are there? 4. What are they? There's active, passive, neuter, and deponent. The active, what are the active voices? What are the active forms? And the student answers, the ones which end in O, and with the letter R added on, make passives out of themselves, like lego, I read, becomes legor, I am being read. Or here probably choose, let's say choose. Lego, I choose, I am being chosen. And here in the margin we see that faciunt ex se passiva, they make passives from themselves, is the same as saying they are made passive. Okay, so let's go through. You should translate that whole section yourself, word for word. Ask questions for sections you have problems with, and come back and let's read it aloud in Latin, understanding the words as Latin, so using images in our mind rather than translation. De verbo. Verbum quid est? Pars orationis cum tempore et persona sine casu, aut agra aliquid, aut pati, aut neutrum significans. Modi verborum qui sunt? Indicativus ut lego, imperativus ut lege, optativus ut utinam legarem, conjunctivus ut cum legam, infinitivus ut legere.